India terminated the transshipment facility for Bangladesh export cargo, truck and consignment saw a sharp uptick at the Petra Pole, the nation's largest land port, data shows. The New Delhi halted transshipment facilities for the neighboring country on the April of 8, that the days after the Bangladesh chief advisor Mohammad Yunus advocated the extension of the Chinese economy around the strategically important northeast Indian region. Also, India first allowed transshipment of the cargo also from the Bangladesh to the third countries using the Indian land customs stations and subsequently Indian ports and the airports on the June 29, 2020. According to the sources in the Petra Pole Land Port Custom Department, in the financial year 2023 to 2024, 3,300 trucks with transshipment commodities or export cargo entered the Petra Pole from the Bangladesh with 4,000 consignments valued at 2,000 crores. Also in the financial year 24-25, 4,000 truck, that is a 39% increase with transshipment commodities entered Petra Pole with 7,000 consignments valued at 3,000 crore. The facility was extended by our country to Bangladesh in 2020, but it saw a little response that year and in 2021 and 2022. In 2023, though, the transshipment consignment arrived in good number and there was a sharp increase thereon. Primarily ready-made garments come to us as the European countries like Spain and other commodities from the European countries. The rush of consignment is seen before the European festive season, including Christmas, said a senior custom official at Petra Pole. Officials explained that trucks from the Bangladesh first carry the consignment to Petra Pole, where they are checked by the land port and custom authorities. Indian truck then also take them to Kolkata or Delhi airport. Every day 150 to 200 trucks enter from Bangladesh, of which around 15 to 20 carry transshipment commodities. From India, around 400 trucks go to the Bangladesh side. Ever since we have received the notification, no transshipment consignment are being allowed. However, normal import-export truck movement as well as passenger movement between the two countries continue, said Kartik Chakrabarti, Secretary, Petra Pole Clearing Agent Staff Welfare Association. Also, 4 trucks stationed on the Bangladesh side, that is Benapole Land Port, returned to the country yesterday. Also, most transshipment consignments from Petra Pole used to go to Kolkata airport and then go to foreign countries either directly or via the Delhi airport. This is bad news for the exporters of Bangladesh, mainly garment exporters. It was cheap and easier to send through India. Indian trucks owner that used to carry the consignment from the Petra Pole to Kolkata or Delhi airport will suffer loss.